inverted commas, haploid and closed. The gamete should be haploid where the fusion of male and female gametes occur, okay, and they give a formation of 2N, that is a zygote. So now let's start with fertilization and implantation. What is implantation? It is what in my first lecture I have given you the definitions. So what is implantation? Implantation means amendment of the blastocyst in the uterus wall. Which uterus wall? Endometrium, and that is called as implantation. Okay, now let's come up with the things here. Fertilization occurs in the ampullary ischemic junction of the fallopian tube. So, like yesterday I told you, fallopian, I have discussed about the reproductive system of a female, where I have told you about the vagina, cervix, uterus, and the oviduct, pair of oviduct, that is the fallopian tubule, and to the pair of the ovaries. So here, when we talk about the location and the all parts of the fallopian tubule, it is what? Femore. Femore is there, ovary, okay, femore, ovary, and after to that, where ampulla and isthmus. So fertilization, the meeting of the egg and the sperm onto which junction? It is the junction of the what? Oviduct of the fallopian tubule, isthmus and ampulla. Okay, the process of fusion of sperm and ovum is known as fertilization. Okay, so during fertilization, the sperm includes the changes in a zona pellucida and blocks the entry of the other sperms. So, like yesterday also I told you, again here I am telling, once sperm it got struck, it got a strike onto the ovum. What happens? There will be changes occur to the zone of pellucida layer, so that other sperms who are striking to that ovum should not give the entry. Okay, this ensures that only one sperm fertilizes the ovum. So in sperm, the head there is an acrosome. In acrosome there are the enzymes which helps in the dissolving the walls of the ovum. So acrosomes help the sperm to enter the cytoplasm of the ovum. So here, look at here, this is a figure what I have given. Again, let's see with the figure of the sperm. This is a sperm, where this is a head, middle piece and tail. In head, we have what? There is a nucleus. It is a gamete which contains only 23 number of chromosomes, and a acrosome. So acrosome contains the digestive enzymes which help in digesting, which helps in dissolving the wall of the ovum from where the entry can be done. This is a middle piece. Collar is there containing many mitochondria which help as an energy building for the sperm to swim, and this is a flagella which causes the sperm to swim. So this is an ovum. You can see here where the sperms they all are coming and striking to the walls of the what? To the walls of the ovum. Now let's see here with the whole picture out here. See, the first point it says insemination occurs here. So this is opening female genitalia where the insemination occurs, and from here, see, from this is vagina, cervix and uterus. Okay, so now the see insemination is here. So So look at here, this is a picture further. So let's come up to it. See, this is a complete picture of an ovum. This is a layered corona radiata. Okay, this is a corona radiata. After to this is a zona pellucida. Then this is this is a cell membrane of ovum. This is the first polar body. Here it is a cytoplasm is there, and this is a meiotic spindle formation occurring. See, secondary meiotic spindle is occurring here. Okay, second meiosis stage is there, and there the spindle formations are occurring. Okay, and see, this is the part from where the sperms are swimming around, and only one sperm it has entered into the cell membrane of the ovum. So now here further moving up to detailing to it. See the previous one. I'll go through with this one where I have made a rectangular part. Let's see it here. So this is acrosome containing. See, this is an acrosome containing enzyme which help with the digesting the walls of the ovum. Okay, and the nucleus which is containing the chromosome of 23 number. Now let's see what are the further points. The zygote develops with a series of mitotic division, and that is called as cleavage. Fertilization has occurred. Fusion of the male and female gamete which is haploid formed what? A zygote. Okay. Now this zygote now undergoes with further series of meiotic division, and it will form a mass which is called as cleavage. And the stages that is developed here, I will give you into a complete flowchart for fertilization of ovum, forming the zygote. How the fertilization is occurring with the sperm. 2 cell stages formed. After zygote, 2 cell stages formed. Then it will multiply 2 to 4, 4 to 8 stage. And after 8 stage is the 16th stage which is called as morula. Okay. And after morula 16 to 32 blastula or gastrula. Okay. So 32 stages, here it is the blastula or blastocyst formation. Now let's see here again. This is what an ovum, the sperm is coming, haploids are there. They both fuse together to form what? Zygote. Okay. This is a fertilized ovum which has formed as second as a zygote. Now the zygote goes for the further meiotic divisions, and it has formed 2 cell stage. You can see here on the third point it is a 2 cell stage. Then on to fourth it is a, here 2 will multiply to form a 4 cell stage. 4 cell stage will multiply to form a 16 cell stage which is called as morula. 16 cell stage further into a 32. Okay. 32, this is the one blastula or gastrula. Now let's see here again. Zygote on day 1. See here. Day 1 when the fertilization has occurred and zygote is formed. It will goes on to mitotic divisions, and here 2 days, after 2 days it will be 2, then again mitotic divisions it will be 4, and again mitotic division on to a third day of the fertilization. This is morula 16 cell stage, and on to a 5th day there will be a forming a blastula, and it is called as blastocyst. On the 5th day blastocyst is formed. So you can go through with the structure. This is trophoblast. This is a cavity which is a fluid filled, and here is the inner cell mass. Now see the picture I have given here. This is morula. Okay. Now this is a blastocyst. You can see the cyst formation is there. Okay. And now see, the cell in the blastocyst are arranged into an outer trophoblast and inner cell mass. So let's move into the previous one. I'll show you this. So here it is what? At day 5 the blastocyst contains what? The trophoblast and inner cell mass. The trophoblast get attached to the uterine endometrium. Now this trophoblast will move from the zygote. Now in day 1, the first cleavage will form. In day 2, after mitotic division, 2 cell stages form day 2, and day 3 to 4 cell stages form, and after that 8 compact morula, 8 cell stage has formed. Here it is a morula, compact morula is forming, and day 5 it is a early blastocyst, where you can see the trophoectoderm, the blastocoel is there, and inner cell mass is there. Day 6 to 7 it is the form, here it is the zona calcium is releasing, and last stage of the blastocyst is hatching. Hatching means here at the 8th or 9th day it will get embedded. See, this is a uterus. This is a part of uterus where this blastocyst has been embedded. So now let's see again with the picture here. Detail. Sperm nucleus, it's strike to the egg nucleus, and polar bodies are here. See, again the fertilization has occurred and it has formed a diploid zygote, and this zygote with this, see, the zona pallidum layer is there. This zygote is going with the first cleavage division. Day 1 it is 2 cell, day 2 is a 4 cell stage, day 3 is a early morula, day 4 is a late morula. You can see here. See, day 1, this is 0 day. This is this area is called as ampulla and isthmus area of a fallopian tubule. Zygote, first cleavage, day 1 that is this 2 cell stage, day 2 4 cell stage, day 3 early morula, day 4 late morula, and 6 to 7 is the what? The implantation of the blastocyst in the uterus of the endometrium. Okay, so this is a further detail. See how it has been fixed up 7 to 10 days. See, this is there. The uterine epithelium is there. Healing site of the implantation. See how it has entered, embedded into the endometrium layer. See, you can see this. Okay, and now the formation of the embryonic disc